smash him. We're having a good time. How you doing? How y'all doing? Country style out here. Everybody's out here, man. Doing their thing. They doing their thing, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's going on with DJ Booth. What's happening? We got Swedish barbecue over here. Like they doing their thing, man. Everybody's doing their thing back here, man. Got a little impromptu bar. Another country style sign over there. You know what I mean? Everybody's doing their thing. Yeah, so we're doing the thing big. Let's see what's over here. You okay? Yeah, so we're doing our thing. Stage here, man. They're doing their thing. Yeah, so we're doing that thing. It's over game. It's over game. It's coming soon, y'all. It's gonna be getting out. Bristol. Second place, Bestfield. Third place. Coming up. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do all that. It's gonna be good, man. Alright, we got the judges table, man. This is Group D. And I think they're really figuring it out, y'all. They're figuring it out.
Yes, what's your name?
Coming to it, this is. We got the young chef right here, man. We might have the youngest chef in the competition right here.
You said you learned a lot from your daddy. I appreciate y'all. I try, hey, he's a great student, and I reward him for his behavior.
We got this young man.
I'm Jerome the second, he's Jerome the third. I named him after my daddy. He's a good guy. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for yes, sir.
We got a group C here, man. We got everybody here, man. The judges doing their thing, man. We out here, man. We are out here, man. We got Matt DB out here. He might be a judge next year. We're gonna put him on. We're gonna stage him. He's gonna be in Group A. Top dog.
What's the difference to Group A?
I have no idea. Thanks for putting on the spot. No edits. All right, y'all. But man, everybody, the vibe out here is outstanding, y'all. All people out here, man, with the folks. Oh, do your thing, brother.
There's some beautiful people here.
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
I'm from Newark.
Oh, what? Newark? Newark? I won't give it back. I'm gonna give a little Newark commentary from my perspective. Newark is kind of country. I grew up in the Bronx.
Oh yeah, so you know.
So my sister, the only reason I went to Jersey, I moved to Jersey because my sister lived in Jersey. And we got old. They might come out with me. It's like, come hang with me.
Yeah.
So I moved to Newark. It's in the East Side. Newark. All right, y'all. We're still rolling. We're still rolling. Check that line again. What's happening? Ball here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing, brother? All right. We out here, man. I think the line might have got a little better. I think it got better. It's not as bad. I think it got a little better. Everybody's out here, man. We have a good time. It's actually, short. It got a little shorter, but we all good out here. I cut through there before, man. said, man.
If you want 38, the only thing you gotta do is keep it.
So we got more stuff out here, man. We got more people with merch, man. We got niece muffin merch out here, man. Niece muffin with the merch game. She's out here. Everybody's out here, man. I'm telling you, everybody's out here, man. Everybody's out here doing a little content, man. Always got the hot fish, man. We got, but man, I mean, we got fish sandwiches for $8, man. Come on. We're gonna get that at. Okay. We got content on content, man. We got McFadden Barbecue, South Carolina. You know, say what's up. McFadden Barbecue, Florence, South Carolina. Okay? Look, they got the trophies to show. Come on, y'all. Support. Okay? All right. We got people out here, man. Everybody's out here. Hey, look at the city of North Carolina. Look at that. Okay. We got 30 birds. We got 30 birds out here, man. All right. We got people out here, man. We got Augusta, Georgia. We got Augusta, Georgia. We got Grandma Bang out here, man. Augusta, Georgia. All right, look at the trophy game. Look at the trophy game, y'all. Come on. They cooking for real, man. Check out the trophy game. They ain't playing. Trophy game is strong. Trophy game is strong. Check them out. Check them out. All right. Look at this, man. All right. We coming through. Doing their thing, man. They don't do anything. We got Smoky Reds, man. Smoky Reds doing their thing, man. Check them out. Smoky Reds doing their thing, man. They doing their thing, man. Smoky Reds doing their thing. Check them out. Smoky Reds. Lexington, South Carolina. Smoky Reds in Lexington, South Carolina. Smoky Reds doing their thing, man. Hit them with the sample. Smoky Reds. Hit them with the sample, man. I mean, they doing their thing, man. Like I said, man, everybody out here is doing their thing, man. It's a spectacular event. Everybody's having a good time. Check them out, man. That's him, Riverdale, Georgia. I used to actually be in Riverdale, Georgia often. I used to live in Atlanta. Shout out to Riverdale. Yeah, so that's what's up, man. We got everybody out here, man. I mean, the representation is heavy, heavy, heavy. They doing their thing big, man. And people just having a good time, man. Little breeze. Good, brother. Yeah. Like, hello. There she go, right there. There she goes. She got a little crazy. She need one more sample. One more sample. All right. One more sample. One more. Right here. Thank you.
On the floor, do you want it on the chair? Do you want it over here? Do you want it down there? Do you want it this or do you want it anything you can handle?
get the blender down.
Getting late, y'all. Well, late. Not really. It's about 5:30, man. It's a lot more room, but it's really no more samples right now. So you come out, man. If you want the sample game, come early. You're gonna enjoy hanging with the folks, man, and have a good time. This might be the time to come because it's a lot cooler. We were out here, man. It was very, very hot earlier, but now the temperature is under control. It's not bad out here, man. You know, we still have vendors still working out here. A lot of vendors still working. You know, doing stuff, man. Making it work. So yeah, man. And I might cut through here, man. I don't think I ever cut through here before. Man. So we still got a lot of people out here, man. Doing their thing. Man, everybody's having a good time, man. No nonsense. No stunt. No nonsense, man. Everybody's having a good time, man. You know?